Now let us study about something about Dutch. Dutch. Dutch are from Holland or Netherlands. Both of these are names of the same country. Holland is nothing but Netherlands. They established United East India Company in 1602 with the aim of doing business with eastern countries and entered countries like India, Java, Sumatra, Indonesia and other spice-rich islands. You can see Amsterdam here. Amsterdam is the capital city of Netherlands or Holland. They started voyage and reached India. Here you can see India and other Asian countries. These are the other Asian countries. You can see the settlements of Dutch orange color. See, this is India. I'll show other map also. Nagatipattanam is there. Cochin is also there. Okay, this is India. These are orange. Okay, this is another country, Indonesia. Many other countries. Okay, they have given the names of places. You need not worry about these places, but different countries. That's all. Java, Sumatra, Broch, Cambe, okay, Java, Sumatra, Indonesia and other countries they have ventured into in spite of India. They established warehouses in Surat. I'll show where it is in the Indian map. Surat, Broch, Cambe, Cochin, Nagapatnam, Muslipattnam, Chinsur and other places in India. I'll show these places. Which places? Surat, Broch, Cambe, Cochin, Nagapatnam, Muslipattnam and Chinsur. See, Surat is here. They have given B here. B means British. But in Surat also Dutch had their settlements. Then Basrur. They haven't given in textbook. Basrur is near Kundapur. See, Cochin is here in Kerala. Cochin, they have marked D. Nagapatnam, it is in Tamil Nadu. Pulicat, they haven't given in the textbook. It is also this is the map from textbook, but they haven't given it in the text, written text. Muslipattnam also they have given. They have indicated here as French place. Chinsur is near Kolkata. Here you can mark. See, near Kolkata, Calcutta. You can mark it here. And Gulf of Cambe, Broch is here. They have given it as a British settlement, isn't it? Okay, it was also occupied by Dutch. Gulf of Cambe is here. This is Gulf of Cambe. The red mark that you can see this is Chinsura. It is in West Bengal. In the textbook, it has been given as Chinsur. See, you can see this is Gulf of Cambe. It is in Gujarat. We can proceed further with the information of places of Dutch settlement in India. With this, they broke monopoly of Portuguese. You can understand some of the places also occupied by Dutch in India. Later, unable to face competition from English and French, Dutch limited themselves to spice-rich islands. That means Philippines, Java, Sumatra, those places. They have given here, no? Java, Sumatra, Indonesia,